Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a fingerprint scanner on Realme 12 Pro Plus. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside, select the security, which should be somewhere around here. Here it is. Then we have device unlock, and there's a face and fingerprint unlock. Click on it and then select the fingerprint, which already confirms that this device does have it. Now we just need to find it. And the fingerprint is located on the bottom of our screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.